Hello everyone, I welcome you all in the C programming and data structures lecture. This is part 3 of application of stacks Infix to Postfix. So without any further delay, let's get started. In this presentation, we will learn how to evaluate a postfix expression. This is what we will learn in this presentation. It is important to evaluate a postfix expression after obtaining it from the infix expression, right? In this presentation, we will learn how to actually evaluate a postfix expression. Before moving on to this, that how to evaluate a postfix expression, it is also important to understand how to convert an infix expression to its equivalent postfix expression. And this time we will deal with an actual arithmetic expression, okay? Consider the following infix arithmetic expression. Let's say we have this infix arithmetic expression 3 plus 5 into 5 divided by 5 minus 2 to the power 2. So this is the whole expression and we have to evaluate this expression. You can see this. Now we have a proper arithmetic expression. Instead of having symbols, we have all these values, right? 3, 5, 2 and so on. Find the equivalent postfix expression for the above infix expression. This is our first target. Before evaluating a postfix expression, we need a postfix expression. That is why it is important to convert this infix expression to its equivalent postfix form, right? So first we will convert this infix expression to its equivalent postfix form. Before doing that, let's evaluate our infix expression. This is our infix expression and evaluation is very simple if we are doing it manually. Here you can see that this expression will be evaluated first. This means division will be performed first because you can see that this expression is within parentheses. Although this operator has the highest priority among all, but this expression will be evaluated first. This becomes 1, right? Because 5 divided by 5 is 1. After this expression will be evaluated. There is no doubt about this. This is 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4, so we can replace this by 4. Now we are left with this expression 3 plus 5 into 1 minus 4. This is 5 into 1, so we will evaluate this first, right? This is multiplication, so 5 into 1 is 5. And what about this expression? We will evaluate it from left to right. This is 5 plus 3, which becomes 8. 8 minus 4 becomes 4. So you can see that this is the final result so obtained, right? This is 3 plus 5 into 5 divided by 5 minus 2 to the power 2. This is actually equal to 4, right? Now let's convert our infix expression to its equivalent postfix form. This is our infix expression. Let's convert it to its equivalent postfix form. It is very simple. Here first we will convert this expression because this has the highest priority, right? We know that this is 5 divided by 5. Here it is very simple to evaluate this expression. We just have to move this operator towards right. That is, we have to move this towards this position after these two operands. This becomes 5, 5 divide. Isn't that so? 5, 5 divide. Remove all the parentheses. They are not required at all. Okay. After this, we will evaluate this expression. We'll convert this to its equivalent postfix form. This is 2 to the power 2. This becomes 2 to power, right? Then we have this whole expression. Here, this should be treated as one operand. So this is our first operand and this is our second operand. Now, we must have to move this operator towards right. So this becomes 5, 5, 5 divide and star. Isn't that simple? After this, we have to convert this expression to its equivalent postfix form. Here, definitely this plus operator will come after this. Therefore, this becomes 3, 5, 5, 5 divide star plus. Then finally, we will convert this whole expression to its equivalent postfix form. This is the first operand and this is the second operand and we have a minus sign over here in between. So we will move this minus towards right. This becomes 3, 5, 5, 5 divide star plus 2 to power and then minus. Correct? This is the equivalent postfix form of the infix expression given below. 3 plus 5 star 5 divided by 5 minus 2 to the power 2. Right? This is our infix expression and this is our postfix expression. Okay? Now let's see how to evaluate our postfix expression. This is the most important thing. We must learn how to evaluate a postfix expression. This will help us in writing our own algorithm and eventually this will help us in writing our own program, right? There is one golden rule of thumb which you should always remember. The expression will be scanned from left to right and as soon as we will encounter an operator, we will apply it to the last two operands. Okay, this is the golden rule of thumb. The expression will be scanned from left to right. This is the first requirement. We must scan the expression from left to right. And there is only one scan required. Remember this. Whenever we have a postfix expression, there is just one scan required. And as soon as we will encounter an operator, As soon as we will encounter an operator, we will apply it to the last two operands. Here in this case, you can see this. After scanning all these symbols, we will encounter this divide symbol, right? After getting this symbol, we will apply it to the last two operands. That means these two operands. So this actually becomes 5 divided by 5. This is what it means, right? We will divide 5 by 5. This is what it means, right? So this is the golden rule of thumb we must always remember. Whenever we encounter an operator, we will apply it to the last two operands. Simple? Let's do the same. First, we have encountered this symbol. Then after this symbol, then this symbol, then this symbol. We have to move forward because these are just operands. Whenever we encounter an operator, we will apply it to the previous two operands. Here you can see this. We have to apply this division operator to its previous two operands. That is these two operands, to 5 and 5. So this is nothing but 5 divided by 5, right? This becomes 1. So this is the expression so obtained, 351 star plus 22 power minus. Get it? Now after getting this result, the next symbol is this star. We have to apply this to 5 and 1. Remember this, 5 will come before 1, okay? So this becomes 5 star 1. That is 5 into 1. What is 5 into 1? 5 into 1 is 5, right? Now, the next symbol is plus, and plus is an operator. So we have to perform addition of these two operands, that is 3 and 5. What is 3 plus 5? 3 plus 5 is 8. So we can replace this by 8. Later on, we have this symbol, which is again a value. Then we have this symbol. Then we have a power operator. Definitely, we have to take these two operands and perform 2 to the power 2. This gives 4. Now finally, we have this minus operator. Now we can perform subtraction of these two operands. That is 8 minus 4. This gives 4. This is the final result so obtained. Isn't that same? We got the same result, right? In case of infix expression also we got this result. Now we are getting this result in this case as well. Therefore, we can say that postfix expression also gives the same result, but it is better for computers, right? You can see this. Postfix expression is obviously better for computers because there's just one scan required. And we don't have to worry about precedence and associativity in that case, right? You can see this was the infix expression and the result so obtained is 4. Now we have evaluated the whole postfix expression and you can see we have got this result 4. You can see all these steps one by one. And you can verify this also. First, this expression is evaluated, which means 5 divided by 5. This expression is within parentheses. This has to be evaluated first. And you can see this has been evaluated first. This becomes 1, right? After this, we have to perform the multiplication. Now you might be asking, why is that so? Why we are performing multiplication before this? Actually, it is not a problem. What you can do here, you can find the answer to this whole expression and find the answer to this whole expression. And then after this, you can subtract the two results. It is similar. You can perform this first or this first, doesn't matter, right? So here in this case, we can perform multiplication and it will yield the same result. So this is 5 into 1. And what is 5 into 1? 5 into 1 is 5. After this, the third step is to add this 3 to this whole expression, the result of this expression, right? So this becomes 3 plus 5, which is 8. And remember that we cannot perform the subtraction first. We have to perform this first, right? So here you can see this. We have encountered this as well. 2 to power. We have to perform 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 4, right? Now we are left with this 8, 4 minus, which means we have to perform subtraction between these two operands, which gives 4. You can see we got the same result, right? The obtained results in both the cases are same. So we can say that this expression is equivalent to this expression, right? This is just a different way to represent this expression. Now here is one homework problem for you. Evaluate the following postfix expression. You are available with this postfix expression and your task is to evaluate this, okay? Find the result of this expression. And you can always post your answers in the comment section below. Okay friends, this is it for now. Thank you for watching this presentation.